Next question is from Yamini. She is asking, what is the next big thing in .NET framework? Yamini, there are three big things which are going to happen or which are happening right now in .NET framework. Number one is consolidation of all .NET frameworks under one runtime. That is .NET 5 framework and .NET 6 framework, which is coming in November 2021. So earlier .NET 5 framework was released in November 2020, which is the current version of .NET framework, and .NET 6, which is coming and which is the long-term support version of .NET framework, is being released in November 2021. So both of these frameworks are basically what they are doing is they are consolidating the runtimes of all the .NET frameworks. Right now, if you have to create a cross-platform web application, you will use .NET Core or .NET 5, as .NET 5 is the current version. Otherwise, earlier we used to use .NET Framework for Windows app development, Windows application development, or web development, web application development which runs on IIS. And for cross-platform developments, the runtime which was used was Mono runtime. So, and then .NET Core was again cross-platform web development runtime. So .NET Core, .NET Framework, and Mono runtime. So all these three runtimes are being consolidated into a single runtime called .NET 5, or next version is .NET 6, which is the long-term support version. So that is the first big thing. Second big thing is Microsoft's reply to Angular and React. So Microsoft has created, or Microsoft has launched their own single page architecture framework called Blazor. So Blazor was released in, I think, 2019. So 2019 Blazor server was released, and then Blazor WebAssembly was released in the stable version of Blazor WebAssembly was released in 2020. So Blazor, which has two different deployment models, Blazor server and Blazor WebAssembly, that is Microsoft's reply to Angular and React and Vue and other JavaScript frameworks, single page architecture JavaScript frameworks. So where you can use Blazor to create front-end UI, and you can become a full stack developer. So Blazor is Microsoft's reply to Angular, React, and Vue in the form of front-end UI framework. So that is another big thing which is being promoted by Microsoft, and everybody is trying Blazor to create web applications. So that is the second big thing. And third big thing is the next version of Xamarin Forms, which is called as Mavi, that is multi-application user interface, something like that. So I don't remember the exact full form of Mavi. So MAUI, that's an abbreviation. You can search for Mavi, Microsoft Mavi, and you will get the reply to it, which will be released with .NET 6, I guess, or it will come with next year. So I'm not sure when it will be released, but it is right now in preview. You can try Mavi with preview 1 of .NET 6. So Mavi is next version of Xamarin Forms, which can be utilized to create cross-platforms mobile application. So if you are a C# developer and want to develop mobile applications using .NET and C#, earlier we used to use Xamarin Forms to do that, but now after November 2021 we will be using Mavi to develop cross-platform mobile application. Xamarin Forms will be they will be supported, but no new feature will be added in Xamarin Forms. Xamarin Forms will be stabilized, and only security updates will be coming into Xamarin Forms up to the time they will be supporting Xamarin Forms. Otherwise, Microsoft will be giving you the migration guidance on how to port your Xamarin Forms application to Mavi. So the third big thing in Xamarin in the world of .NET framework is Mavi framework. So instead of just one next big thing, I told you three big things. That is, number one, consolidation of all the .NET frameworks. Number two, Blazor UI framework, and number three, Mavi framework. I hope you like my answers, and if you like my answers, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends, family, and colleagues. So until my next video, take care. Bye bye.